how to turn one PLR ebook into multiple products. Today we are talking about something that can genuinely change the way you look at PLR forever, especially if you have ever felt stuck thinking that a PLR ebook is just one product with one use and one chance to make money. A lot of people grab a PLR ebook, do a quick edit, put it up for sale, and then move on to the next thing. And while that can work, it leaves a massive amount of value sitting on the table, value that you have already paid for, and value that can be turned into multiple products without starting from scratch every single time. What I want to walk you through today is how to take a single PLR ebook, properly edit it using AI, and then turn that one core asset into a whole range of different products, things like blog posts, video courses, audiobooks, lead magnets, webinar or live workshop content, email courses, and even physical paperback books, all built from the same foundation. This approach is perfect if you want to save time, reduce overwhelm, and build a proper product ecosystem instead of constantly chasing the next idea, because once you understand this process, you start to see PLR as raw material rather than a finished product. Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. Here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. If that sounds interesting to you, how about you smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Before we jump into the different product types, I want to make one thing clear. Everything we are talking about today starts with properly editing your PLR ebook, because if you skip this step or rush it, everything else becomes harder and riskier, especially if you want to publish content publicly or sell it long term. When I say properly editing, I mean doing a full rewrite using AI tools like ChatGPT to restructure the content, change the wording, improve clarity, update examples, and make the tone sound like you, not like generic PLR, because this is what allows you to reuse the material confidently across multiple formats without worrying about duplicate content or looking lazy. Once you have that AI edited ebook as your core asset, everything else becomes much easier because you are no longer reinventing the wheel. You are simply repurposing and reformatting content you already own and control. Number one, turning the AI-edited ebook into blog posts. One of the simplest and most effective ways to expand the value of your PLR ebook is to turn it into a series of blog posts, because each chapter or major section of the ebook can easily become its own standalone article. Instead of copying and pasting, you can take each section and use AI to rewrite it specifically for blog format, adding headings, subheadings, short paragraphs, and a more conversational flow that works better for online reading. This works especially well if you want to build organic traffic over time, because blog posts allow you to target specific keywords related to your niche while still staying aligned with the core topic of your original ebook. You can also expand on certain points in the blog post that might have been shorter in the ebook, or break one chapter into multiple posts if the topic is broad enough, which gives you even more content without extra research. Another benefit here is that your blog posts can naturally funnel readers toward your other products, like the full ebook, a course version, or an email list sign-up, all built from the same original material. Number two, using the AI-edited content to create a video course. Once your ebook has been fully edited and structured properly, it becomes an almost ready-made script for a video course, which is one of the highest perceived value formats you can create. Each chapter of the ebook can become a lesson, and each major subtopic can become a talking point within that lesson, which means you already have the outline and flow mapped out. You can use AI to lightly adapt the text so it sounds more natural when spoken, removing overly formal language and turning it into something that feels like a real explanation rather than something being read word for word. This is especially useful if you prefer faceless video creation, because you can use AI voiceovers, slides, or screen-based visuals without needing to be on camera, while still delivering solid educational value. The key thing to remember is that you are not creating a brand new course from scratch. You are reformatting the same information into a different medium, which dramatically reduces the time it takes to launch. Number three, turning the AI-edited ebook into an audiobook. Audiobooks are another powerful way to expand your product range. especially for people who prefer listening over reading or who like to consume content while driving, walking, or doing other tasks. Once your ebook has been rewritten properly, you can break it into chapters and use AI voice tools to record clean, professional-sounding audio versions of the content. You may want to lightly adjust the text again so it flows better when spoken, but the heavy lifting has already been done during the main edit. The great thing about audiobooks is that they can be sold as standalone products, bundled with the ebook, or even used as bonuses to increase perceived value. You can also distribute audiobooks through platforms that accept audio content or offer them directly through your own site or email list, depending on your strategy. Number 4, using the AI-edited ebook as lead magnets. Lead magnets are one of the smartest uses of PLR content, especially if your goal is to build an email list rather than make a one-off sale. Instead of giving away the entire ebook, you can extract specific sections, checklists, summaries, or action steps and turn them into smaller, free resources. For example, one chapter could become a short guide, another could become a checklist, and another could become a quick start PDF, all derived from the same edited ebook. Because the content has already been rewritten and made unique, you can confidently give it away without worrying about it being identical to something else on the market. These lead magnets can then naturally lead people into your paid products, like the full ebook, a course, or a coaching offer, all of which are connected to the same core topic. Number 5, turning the AI-edited content into webinar or live workshop material. Webinars and live workshops often sound intimidating to people, but when you already have a solid ebook, the structure is basically done for you. Each main section of the ebook can become a segment of your webinar, and each key point can become a slide or talking prompt. You are not trying to teach everything in a webinar. You are guiding people through the core ideas, building understanding, and showing them what is possible when they apply the information. AI can help you condense the ebook into a clear presentation flow, focusing on problems, solutions, and outcomes, while still staying true to the original content. This is a great option if you want to sell higher value products, because webinars and workshops naturally position you as someone with authority, even if the foundation came from PLR that you edited properly. Number 6, creating an email course from the AI-edited ebook. Email courses are often overlooked, but they are incredibly effective, especially for nurturing an audience over time. Your ebook chapters can easily be turned into daily or weekly email lessons, with each email focusing on one specific idea or takeaway. Instead of dumping information all at once, you are spacing it out, which makes it easier for people to consume and apply. AI can help you rewrite each section into an email-friendly format with a natural opening, a clear lesson, and a simple call to action at the end. This works extremely well when paired with an automated email sequence because new subscribers can go through the same course over and over again without extra work from you. Number 7, turning the AI-edited ebook into a physical paperback book. A lot of people forget that PLR ebooks, once properly edited, can also become physical books, which opens up a completely different market. After rewriting the content, you can format it for print, add your own cover design, and publish it as a paperback through print-on-demand services. Physical books often have higher perceived value, even if the content is the same as the digital version, simply because people still associate printed books with credibility. You can use the paperback as a standalone product, a bundle item, or even as a trust builder that leads people into your digital ecosystem. The key thing here is that none of this requires new writing from scratch. It requires smart reuse of what you already have. Number 8, bundling everything into a product ecosystem. Once you have multiple products created from one PLR ebook, you can start thinking in terms of bundles rather than single items. For example, you could bundle the ebook, audiobook, and video course together, or combine the ebook with the email course and a live workshop replay. Bundles increase perceived value and often convert better because people feel like they are getting more without having to make multiple decisions. This also allows you to price more confidently because you are no longer selling one thing, you are selling a complete learning experience built around a single topic. Number 9, keeping everything consistent and aligned. One important thing to remember when turning one PLR ebook into multiple products is consistency, because everything should feel like it belongs together. The messaging, tone, and promises should align across formats, even though the delivery method changes. This is where having a properly edited core document really matters, because it keeps everything grounded in the same ideas and voice. When done correctly, people can move from a blog post to a lead magnet, to a course, to a webinar, without feeling like they have jumped into something unrelated. Number 10, why this approach saves time and reduces burnout. Finally, this entire strategy is about working smarter, not harder, especially if you are creating content regularly or running a YouTube channel alongside your products. Instead of constantly asking yourself what to create next, you are extracting more value from something you already have. This reduces decision fatigue, shortens creation time, and allows you to focus on improving quality rather than chasing volume. It also gives you flexibility, because you can release products gradually, test what works best, and expand based on real feedback rather than guesses. If you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not share and also leave a comment down below and let me know what type of product you would create first from a PLR ebook. Just so you know, on the top left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a video that I believe you might like. Below that is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And if you look on the right side of the screen, you'll see an image of my head. Now, if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.